Here's my shoe. It takes forever for hot water to get to the master bathroom. It's the end of the run of the hot water line. But I got a fix for it. But right here, I'm going to give you a timer. I'll show you what my deal is. Got it on hot water. And then, oh shoot. You start that timer there. See how long it takes to get hot. Okay, 131. That's it right there. Let's stop it. It is for now, and then we'll see a little later once I do my little, what I'm going to do. This is a hot water tank. It pumps out hot water. This here is going to go right in line right there. So it's going to pump the hot water out of the hot water tank and go. These are all the bathroom sinks, garage and stuff, but this is the long run. This is the sink out here in the master bathroom in the shower. But I'm going to put there's a temperature sensitive check valve. It's going to be under the sink. So whenever the hot water, it's going to be pumping at all times. I mean, what times I tell it to, it'll be going through this check valve. And this is a temperature sensitive check valve. So it's going to force back and come back through the coal line. It'll keep doing that until that gets hot enough. When it reaches a certain temperature, like 120 or whatever it's set at, I think it's 120, somewhere around there, 130. It'll close, and then hot water will be right there. I mean, so it's going to be hot water instantaneously. So now instead of have to waiting for the hot water, like what I timed it, 220, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, pretty much, roughly. But we're going to see afterwards. So here's all of what we're going to need. Got that, got the drill, got all the wrenches, right sizes for it. And now we just got to get on over to turn off the power, drain the water a little bit on the hot side, and then we'll get going. Hot water heater, 9. So come to 9, turn 9 off. And that's pretty much all we got to do for that. Okay. Here, and also up here, we're going to shut off. This is the hot going out. And this is, ouch, Jesus. That's 100. Okay, that's the cold coming in. It's pretty hot. On the hot side, I'll run and just leave that open for now. So that should take the pressure off. This has to come off. That should more than likely be tight enough. Gasket, you know. But anyway, let's just get this guy tightened, and then we'll see where we're at. Because I got the cold water coming on into this right now, and I got the hot water blocked, and this is off. But now we see, this is the back sink where we took the temperature earlier. But first we got to turn this water off. Okay, now we got to take those guys off. Let me see. Okay, those are both on. I guess let that little water heater get hot and we'll check it after. Let it run a little bit. But the main reason is because of the tub. We want water hot, and then the shower. That takes forever, so that's the main reason behind this, because this is one of the farthest points. And I can't do it on there, or the tub, so that's it. Let's see how it works out. All right, let's do the real deal here. Let's start it and try it hot. Oh. Okey-dokey, it's working. Oh, it just seconds. I didn't stop the timer. Okay, let's go to cold. Oh yeah, baby. Perfect. It's working. Good deal. I like it. All right. All right, we're gonna make some spring rolls. And I already pretty much was doing a bunch of it already before. Then I remembered I better record it. But anyway, this is what we need for the sauce. Need some hoisin, sesame oil, some soy sauce. I got extra hoisin there, almost going out, so I back up. Then peanut butter, fish sauce, and garlic. And you're gonna have a little bit of lemon. This is just water to put the wraps in. This is what I'm gonna make the sauce in. These are the noodles. Oop, I gotta get that ready. This is what we're gonna use. This is the wrapping paper. The guts of the roll. There's going to be the noodles. Well, I'll show you in a little bit there. Cucumber, cilantro, shrimp, green onion. You got to have Thai basil and mint. Cilantro, which is over there, and then cut up some pork chops, thin slices. You will see me put it together. But anyway, I'm getting everything prepped right now. This is the mint that we washed. We're just going to pull off the leaves. So that's for the mint. Now let's do the basil. Same thing. Next is the pork, but right now I just put some of the bean thread in there, or rice noodles or bean thread, either one. But that's the bean noodles. So now, let's bring this over here. That's probably enough. Let's put it on a little low heat. We need a little oil in there. So, get it with a little olive oil. And sesame oil. If you have fresh garlic, it's good, but we could use this dry. A little lemon juice. Whoops. 1/2 of a juicy lemon. This is the hoisin. And I'm going to put the soy into this. Into the hoisin just to rinse it. With a little more liquid, just going to put some of this fish sauce. Yeah, a little more. It's a strong, real strong flavor, but it's good. Then we'll shake that up. That way we can get the rest of the hoisin out of here. Okay, now we got them all added. Get that a little warm, then we'll throw some peanut butter up in there. Get it. Well, that's good. Let's get this ready. Cilantro, basil, mint. Shrimp goes last anyway. Also, I will show you. So it's right in a row, bubbling a little bit. Now we can add the peanut butter. Little sugar. Hoisin's already got a lot of sugar, but he doesn't need that. It just after. Just not really cooking it. I just gotta get it warm so it'll make the peanut butter smoother. And that's that. That's done. Take it off. So now we're gonna roll here. So now you don't need this that hot, but just get it wet. Oh, it's pretty hot. This might be too hot. Put it over here. It might be a little bit warm. Oh shoot! Then you get the noodles. Little noodles in there. Cucumber. Some pork. Cilantro. Thai basil. Mint. Green onion. Usually do carrots too, but that's just pretty much color. I guess we could, but yeah. Put your shrimp out here. Just, oh. More noodle. Noodle's good. Now I do my sauce. In the wrap. And you come back here like this. This way, put the shrimp out here. This will be shown. Then you cross, just like wrapping it, kind of like a burrito. Then you pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, roll. There's your roll. Let's do another one real quick. Okay. Pork. It doesn't have to be in exact order that you do it. There's noodles. Noodles. Cucumber. The reason I'm going fast because this gets real sticky. There's hot water like that. Mint. Green onion. Put as much as you want. Let's do the shrimp because that's some of the main meat. And then what makes your roll, like I said, is the sauce. So get that little sucker. Pull it on up, make it tight. Flip it over. Pull back when you roll and make it tight. There. Now let's just try this one. The first one, see. Mm-hmm. That's some good stuff right there. And it's fairly healthy. Except for that. But, gotta have it.